Hi there, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. This is a small spiritual tip that might help you through these times that you might be finding tough. You might be finding yourself feeling afraid, lonely, isolated. You might be afraid of your own death or the death of someone you know, or sickness or war. There's just all kinds of things going on at the moment. So with TAT, one of the things you can do is you can write down or just think of something that you want to be in more contact with. So being in more contact with the spiritual truth of who you are, of your own nature, or your relationship with the divine, whatever name you have for the divine, can help you, might help you. So I'll show you all you do. And you can do this about whatever it is you want to manifest more of in your life. So you can just do the TAT pose, which is thumb above the upper inner corner of each eye, ring finger over here, not thumb above both eyes, but I mean thumb, ring finger above the upper inner corner of each eye, your middle finger in the middle between and about a ½ inch above eyebrow level, and your other hand goes at the base of your skull back there. So your thumb is just above your hairline. So here are some of the things you can just say to yourself. And I'd recommend you say them 3 times. So I'll just say each one 3 times, or you can do a list and say your whole list over to yourself 3 times, but like this. My own nature is deathless. My own nature is deathless. My own nature is deathless. The divine loves me. The divine loves me. The divine loves me. I accept divine love now and forever. I accept divine love now and forever. I accept divine love now and forever. No matter what happens, we'll all be okay. No matter what happens, we'll all be okay. No matter what happens, we'll all be okay. I wish love, happiness, and peace for everyone, including me. I wish love, happiness, and peace for everyone, including me. I wish love, happiness, and peace for everyone, including me. Those are just a few statements based on your religion, your upbringing. There's statements that'll be really more natural for you to say to yourself about your experience of your own divine nature, your relationship with the divine. So I'd recommend in these times especially, you write those down or just think them up and say them to yourself while you're in the TAT pose. I hope this helps you feel more peace, love, and connection and happiness. Thank you for listening and see you next time.